It's my bike check. 2010 Verde Vex frame. .25 fly tierra bars. Alienation ratchet grips with colony concho bar ends. Primo aneyerlator stem. Kink ceramic headset. Odyesey classic dirt fork. Premium front laced to a premium hub. Odyesey pass tire. Eastern Nomad cranks with a stln class ring chain wheel. Mechanic half track chain. Odyesey twisted PC pedals. Animal stitch seat. Pivotal. I forgot about that. Animal. Oh, hold on. Oh. Animal RS rim. Laced to a poverty spare cassette hub. Odyesey pass tires. And I'll let you hear this real quick. Let's get that set. That. And that is my bike.